Hi again. My trade idea for today will be the CAD yen. I will try to look for shorts on this pair. As you can see here, we have this supply zone that broke market structure to the downside, and we have this liquidity underneath this multiple bottoms. And as you can see here, we have this supply zone, as I said, and this supply zone was nearly mitigated but not completely. And then after that we have this reaction to the downside and leaving this liquidity underneath this double or triple bottoms. As you can see here, this supply zone was taken out, and we have a very good confirmation on 15 minutes short. As you can see here, the same setup happened here. We have this first reaction after taking this huge this supply zone, and as you can see here, the volume here is extreme on this wick here, and again on this wick here the volume is extreme. And here we have this volume. I think this volume was only to take this inducement here. As you can see here, here is, as I said, it is the same setup because we have this supply zone and we have this inducement here, and it also was taken out. And we have also this setup, as you can see here, um, first top, double tops, and gave us this reaction. So to lure us to take this trade or enter early, and then it took this double bottoms, double tops, and then we have this beautiful reaction also on 15 minutes short, and here we have break of structure. So my entry and target. My entry will be now, to be honest. I already entered actually on this here, on this top here, because I also marked this as order block, which was not correct, but I wasn't taken out because I don't use very tight stops. My stop is actually around 650. It's a very it's not it's a very wide stop loss, but if you like tight stop losses you can actually put it here. And if you put it here first, I will go to daily short because this is our target, and this is how our short position will look like. We also have this liquidity or trend line liquidity that I will be targeting here, because you see this void and this liquidity. This will be my target, and here also is another target underneath this bottom. So you can take it like this. And as I said before, my stop loss will look like this. I said 650. This is my stop loss. So it has 22 risks to reward ratio. As I said before, if you like tight stops, you can move your stop maybe to first. I will take this here. If you take your stop loss actually above this aura block here, you will improve it to, wow, 66 risks to reward ratio. Of course, we have this close, daily close looks very bullish, but actually, I have learned that lower time frames is more accurate than higher time frames. Uh, as you can also see, another example for that is the AUD USD. I will show you a very beautiful example. Remove drawings. This one here, this one here. Actually, it's a similar setup. Here we have our aura block and we have this inducement. So we already have seen the strength, and then it was taken out, then a retest, and then went up. And let us look how the daily close looked like on this day. What is that? It's a very, it looks like a doji star, and it looks very, if you look at the candle, only the candle on the daily close, it looks actually very bearish, right? But the next day, it went actually, this low wasn't taken. So actually, it stopped right here, and then it never moved a pip after this after this low of the day, and then it went up like crazy. So that's what I'm saying. It's actually the lower time frames are more accurate. Look at 4 hours. Look at um, um, 15 minutes chart, because they are actually this these charts are the actual um, actual movers of the market. And the daily chart maybe gives us like some indication regarding the supply zones, maybe like here, or in the and demand zones, but the real entries are actually on lower time frames. If we go back to the CAD yen, we also have a very beautiful setup here, as I said before. This one here, which is here. We have this break structure, and then this is the engineered liquidity and trend line, and it was taken, and after that we went down, showing us that actually this is the real supply. And after that, after all these signs of weakness, we have on the last, I think this is the last move upwards to take this inducement, and then it will go up, it will go down. As I said, I always say it's just my analysis can go up, because my analysis just, I'm a human being. My analysis can always be wrong. But if you put your stop loss here, as I said, you'll be like protected, and you will never lose any money that you are not ready to risk or ready to lose. That's it for today. Follow for more.